Sophia, when you first start BuddyBooks, it shows you a short tutorial.
What kind of tutorial?
When students open BuddyBooks for the very first time, they go through a short tutorial. This helps them set up their audio and learn how to take turns reading with Buddy. First, each student will log in using the username and password you selected for them. Then, Buddy will guide them through the tutorial.
Hi, welcome to BuddyBooks. I'm Buddy. Let's take a quick tour together. Here are your books. I see you have a few assigned to you. You can click Read Now for any of these books to continue. Which book do you want to read? Let's take a look at your sound settings. Let's make sure your speakers are working. I'll click the Test Speaker button. Click Yes if you could hear the bell, and No if you did not. Great. Let's move to your microphone. It looks like your microphone is ready, but let's try it out. Try saying something. If you see activity in the input bar, then you should be ready to test your microphone. I'll click the Test Mic button. After I press it, try saying something for a few seconds.
Can you hear me?
Could you hear your voice? Great, we're all set here. Click Start Reading when you're ready to move on. Let's learn how to read with BuddyBooks. You will take turns reading with your computer partner. Let's try it out.
Brave Buck Billy.
That was your partner's turn. Make sure to follow along as they read. You're up next. Read your section out loud, and when you're done, press the Enter button on your keyboard to end your turn. Give it a try.
Chapter 1, Billy and Rose.
Great, you did it. Nice work. That's it. Now you're ready to start reading. Here we go.
Billy loved to play in the big green forest.
His small hoofs made soft sounds in the grass as he jumped over fallen logs.
Watch me, Rose.
That was easy and fun.
Now you're all set to start reading with Buddy.
This short tutorial makes sure your students are ready to read. And now you know exactly what they'll experience the first time.